Question 39 asks us to find the measure of angle G. Alright, so if we look over here, we're given a triangle, and we know the sum of the angles of a triangle has to add up to 180. So there's a couple ways you could set this up, but I'm just going to go ahead and write down my three angles. So these are my three angles. And I know that these three angles have to add up to 180 degrees. So I'm going to go ahead and put plus signs in the middle, and I'm going to set it equal to 180. And then I'm going to solve this equation. Alright, so the first thing I notice is 6x plus 7x. Those are on the same side, so I can just add those together. 6x's plus 7x's would give me 13x's. And then negative 6 plus 1 plus 55. Well, 55 plus 1 is 56, and then minus 6 from that would leave you with 50. Now from here, I'm trying to get this x by itself, so I need to get rid of plus 50. And so I'm going to do minus 50 on each side of the equation. I'm doing opposite operations or inverse operations because I'm trying to get rid of that. Notice up here I did not do opposite operations because I was just combining like terms. Alright, so I get 13x equals 130. And then I divide each side by 13. And I'm left with x equals 10. Alright, the question though doesn't say solve for x, it says find the measure of angle G. So once we know that x equals 10, we can substitute it back in for x. So we can say 7 times 10 plus 1, which would give us 71 degrees. So angle G would equal 71 degrees.